Do you like to cook? If so, you probably have a signature dish, one that all your friends and family rave about. So, what's that special ingredient in your dish that brings all of those flavors together to create your culinary masterpiece? I know, it's a family secret. Don't answer that. Instead, let's take off the chef's hat for a minute and look at your business. So, in addition to being a damn fine chef, you're also a proud independent entrepreneur. You have your own business, be it physical, virtual, or both. So, what's that special ingredient to your business's success? A fancy logo, a great website, or an attractive physical storefront? Now, these are all important, but nothing is as important as the goods you sell. You have to sell quality goods. Any chef worth his salt will tell you great ingredients make a great meal. I know you're not one of these, but there are some sellers out there not so much concerned about the ingredients as much as having a quick meal. These freewheeling seller types can and will sell virtually anything. They don't care what they sell as long as they can turn a profit on it. The liquidation industry has no shortage of goods for these types. Liquidation wholesalers are practically drowning in generic brands, private label items, and low-dollar goods that can be flipped for a quick buck. The problem these types of sellers invariably face is that the fast buck can easily turn into the last. This approach to resale will severely limit your long-term growth potential. Sure, you can make some sales, but ultimately, if you are not selling what consumers want in terms of the product's quality and the brands that they demand, they will not be back for more. Not concerned about repeat business? You should be. Worse yet, that former customer may easily turn into your worst detractor, causing you to lose future sales and speeding up the inevitable spiral of declining sales. Avoid those generic brands, private label items, and low-dollar goods. They are like fast food, tasty for a bite or two, but you'll regret it later. So how do you determine what to sell? It's simple. Listen to your customers. Concentrate on sourcing quality goods and brands that they hunger for. It's the best approach for long-term growth because a satisfied customer always comes back for seconds. There are many liquidators in the industry offering the fast food quick meal fix that will ultimately leave you unsatisfied. At Fox Liquidation, we serve up only the best quality name brand goods that your customers crave. Thanks for watching, folks. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on buying and selling liquidation merchandise from Foxliquidation.com.